Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video I will show you how we can practice Linux commands in Windows. I will prefer the Cygwin software that is used to practice Linux commands in Windows. Basically it is a terminal which give us the environment just like the Linux. So just go to the cygwin.com, which is the official website of Cygwin, and here all the description about the Cygwin is provided. So you will download the Cygwin according to your window architecture. In my case I have 64-bit architecture, so I just click on the 64-bit installation. After click it will download it. Just click on the downloaded folder and run. In my case I just install by default setting. Okay, you can choose your own priorities according to your own priorities, just like another folder. So in my case I install inside C and click on the next. And download it from the official site, that is Cygwin. Next, click on the, and now installation is start. Next, now it will takes a couple of minutes. So there are many software in market that are available to practice the Linux commands in Windows. So I will prefer this for those users who just want to learn about the basic of Linux commands but not want to move to the Linux operating system. So this is just for those users to learn them about the basic of Linux commands in Windows. After they will learn, now then they can move to the Linux operating system. So now installation is continue. Now my installation is completed. I click on the next and finish it. Now you want to open the Cygwin terminal. I go to my start menu and enter here Cygwin and open my Cygwin terminal. After opened it, it is basically a terminal that just like of Linux operating system. Here you can write any command of Linux and it will work. For example, I type the cal, then it show me the calendar, or you can practice any command you want. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.